Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your home entertainment setup. Today, we're diving into something that's been bugging a lot of you: how to turn off your TV's sound when you're using a soundbar. This is especially relevant in 2025 with all the smart TVs and advanced audio systems out there. Why bother? Well, if your TV's speakers are still outputting sound alongside your soundbar, it can create a messy, echoing audio experience. Let's fix that quickly and easily. First things first, make sure your soundbar is properly connected to your TV. Most setups in 2025 use HDMI ARC or EARC for seamless audio pass-through, so grab your TV remote and let's get started. Step 1. Access your TV's audio settings. On most modern TVs, like Samsung or LG models, hit the home button on your remote, then navigate to Settings, Sound, Expert Settings. Here, look for an option called TV Speakers or Internal Speakers and set it to Off. This redirects all audio output to your soundbar. If that doesn't work, you might need to check your soundbar's connection type. For HDMI setups, ensure ARC is enabled in both your TV and soundbar menus. Pro tip: if you're using optical or Bluetooth, go into your TV's sound output settings and select your soundbar as the primary device. Once done, test it out by playing some content. Your TV speakers should now be silent. Sometimes, issues arise from outdated firmware. In 2025, most devices auto-update, but double-check via your TV's software update section. Another quick fix: use your soundbar's remote or app to control volume and ensure it's set as the main audio source. This varies by brand, like Sonos or Bose apps for easy adjustments. There you have it. Simple steps to mute your TV's sound and enjoy pristine audio from your soundbar. If you run into any hiccups, drop a comment below, and we'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more 2025 tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.